Are you okay?
Fine.
Are you sure? Because you look drunk to me, man.
Yeah.
You know how bad underage drinking is for you?
Yeah, I know. I hear it every day.
Let me take you down a little walk so you can see how much better life is when you're not drunk. When you drink more, you get more hangovers. And the more you drink, the more risk you have for getting alcohol poisoning. When you don't drink, none of those things can affect you. Underage drinking is something that plagues many people. But is it really worth starting drinking just to look cool? If you or somebody you know is affected by this, encourage them to seek help. And please, don't start underage drinking.